E chenro mar rieyo riwruoge ma ok magin mag sirkal pacho ka piny owacho yande oloko nying mar duol marango riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho ma otise ni Public Benefit Organizations Regulatory Authority. Duol no koro ne oyawo ayanga mbui mare manyasani mane oni chenro duto odhi nyime yo makare. Jagoro mong'ere mar weche arita Dr. Ramogi Molo owacho ni yepo mar mbui no dhi achiel kachiel kod okenge ma sirkal oketo mane oni jopiny oyudo chenro makare.
Launching a new brand and website for the Public Benefits Organization Authority. This launch marks a significant milestone for the authority's rebirth following its transition, occasioned by the operationalization of the Public Benefits Organization Act, which happened last year. And this is something that had taken several years to really actualize. So I would wish to congratulate from the outset the authority for this important achievement and for utilizing this opportunity again to transition to brand itself anew.
When you talk of branding, it's not just about colors. It's not about the look. It's a journey. It's a commitment. It's a promise we are giving people today. And they are here. And we want to make sure that what our PS, our chief guest, is going to unveil today, it's a serious commitment.